Alright guys, let's take a look at your problem set here. A salesperson will earn 1/32 of total sales. What is the commission? Commission, the Y, is equal to 1/32 of X, the total sales. Let's plug in $24,000 as our sales, and 1/32 times 24,000. And we're going to get $750. And that is his commission. Alright, number 2. DeMarcus says that a store overcharged him on the price of a video game. He thought that the price was marked 1/4 off the original price, but it was really... He thought that the price was marked 1/4 of the original price, but it was really 1/4 off the original price. He misread the advertisement. If the original price of the game was $48, what is the difference between the price that DeMarcus thought he should pay and the price that the store charged him? Alright, so 1/4 of the original price, that's Y equals 1/4 of X, and 1/4 times 48, that is $12. Now that is 1/4 of the price. He thought that what he was actually supposed to get was 1/4 off the price. So that'd be 48 minus that 12 of 36. So the difference between those two is $24. There's a $24 price difference between what he thought he should pay and what he actually had to pay. All right. The cost of a $1,200 washing machine after a discount of 1/5 off the original price. Okay, Y is equal to 1/5 X. That's how we'll find our discount. Y equals 1/5 of 1,200, and 1,200 divided by 5. That means my discount is $240. So 1,200 minus $240 is going to give me a price of $960. And that's my new price. Alright, number 4. If a store advertised a sale that gave a customer a 1/4 discount, what is the fraction of the original price that the customer will pay? This is good. I did on that last lesson, we looked at, what if we were to draw this out? Like, what if the original price is X and a store gives a 1/4 discount? So it's going to take this whole amount and break it up into 4 pieces. If the whole thing is X, then each of these pieces would be 1/4 of X, right? So that means if you're getting a discount of 1/4, you would still be paying 3/4 of X. Number 5, Mark. So I guess we could say 3/4 is the fraction that the customer will pay. Mark bought an electronic tablet on sale for 1/4 off the original price of $825. He also wanted to use a coupon for 1/5 off the sales price. How much did Mark pay for the tablet? Okay, so we've got 2 steps here. Let's use what we just learned, that the new if you have 1/4 off, the new price is 3/4 of the original price. So let's create a different type of proportional relationship here. Instead of finding the discount, I'm now just going to find the new price. So the new price is 3/4 of the original price because we're taking 1/4 of the original price away. So Y equals 3/4 of $825, and that means our new price would be $825 times 3 divided by 4, and it would be $618.75. That's the new price. But he has a coupon for 1/5 off the sales price. So now we're going to keep thinking about the way we just talked. if I take away 1/5 of the price, if I take away 1/5 of x, then I'm left with 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4/5 of x, right? Okay, so I'm still paying 4/5 of this sale price. So let's go ahead and do that over here. Y equals 4/5 of the sale price, and that sale price is $618.75. Let's do some multiplication. $618.75 times 4/5. That is $495. And that's how much he would pay. That's how much Mark would pay. All right. A car dealer paid a certain price for a car and marked it up by 7/5 of the price he paid. Later, he sold it for $24,000. What was the original price? All right, so I am taking this to believe that like he is adding 1 2/5 of the value. Not like he's adding 2/5 of the value, but he's adding 7/5 of the price. So that would mean that his new price is 12/5 of his original price, right? Like the original price is just 1, like whatever the 1 original price is, plus 7/5 of that original price. So that's a total of 12/5 of the original price. So y is equal to 12/5 of the original price. This is the amount he sold it for. This is the original price. So the amount he sold it for is $24,000, and that's equal to 12/5 of x. So I am going to divide by 12/5 or multiply by 5/12. Either way, same thing. It's a good refresher that dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by a reciprocal. I was talking to some students about that today in my classes, and we really struggled to remember that. And that's such an important part of what we learned this year. All right, it looks like $10,000 is going to be the original price. So if he bought it for $10,000 and marked it up by 7/5 of the original amount, he sold it for $24,000. All right, last question here. Joanna ran a mile in physical education class. After resting for 1 hour, her heart rate was 60 beats per minute. If her heart rate decreased by 2/5, what was her heart rate immediately after she ran the mile? Right, so let's think about this. We're going to say her heart rate after she ran the mile. That is what we're trying to find. It's x, okay? Now, this is 2/5 of x, and this is 3/5 of x. So the amount it was after decreasing 2/5 of x, her amount was 60. So we could say that y is equal to 3/5 of x, right? Where x is the amount that she started with and y is her new amount. Her new amount is 60 beats per minute, which is 3/5 of what it was. And if I wanted to go ahead and multiply that by 5/3, what I would see is that that would be 100 beats per minute. And that makes sense because this is 60, like 3/5 is 60, then the other 2/5 would be 40, right? Think about that as an equivalent ratio. Good deal. All right, guys, that is your problem set.